Hi guys, this is Soumya Acharya, and today I'm going to be giving you some important tips to overcome uncertainty, especially during this pandemic. So let's get started. Life, as you know, is very uncertain at this point of time because there is no clear segregation between professional life as well as personal life. While some of you might be worried about your job security, pay cuts, some of you might be worried about your health as well as your loved one's health, and some of you might be overall overwhelmed with the situations happening around us. It could also be that some of you might be worried about the global economic crisis that's happening, or it could be that you're worried about the total COVID-19 cases that's kind of happening around us. So whatever the situation may be, I'm here to help you with some tips to overcome uncertainty. So what are those tips? Let's get started. Tip number 1: acceptance. This is the most important thing we might need to focus on because there is no point resisting it. Pandemic has already happened and there is no point in blaming any other government or our government or any other country because blaming or complaining wouldn't help us resolve the issue. We will not be in a position to come out of the situation anyway. This is applicable to every situation for that matter. It can be, it can be that, we are all locked up in our respective places. Or it could be that, we are not in a position to meet our family and friends. Whatever the situation may be, the situations that we can't control, we must let go of it and learn to accept the things as they are. Number 2, focus on things that you can control. There are many things that are outside of our control. For example, we can't control the number of COVID-19 cases happening around us, nor we can control the global economy. Or even for that matter, we can't even control if we are going to be getting our next paycheck or not. But what we could do is, or what we could control is how we react or respond to these situations. For example, if you've had a salary cut or if you've lost your job, what you could do is put in all your energy in ensuring that you have your updated resume and start looking for jobs online, or either contact your network and ensure that you do whatever is necessary to get that next job instead of suffering in the same job which is paying you less, or in case if you have been thrown out of your job. Similarly, if it is health that you're concerned about during this pandemic, what you could do is you could avoid crowd. You could take care of yourself by being hygienic, by washing your hands and legs regularly, and also ensuring that you indulge in self-care activities. Tip number 3: distract yourself from social media and news. Rely on valid information sources like WHO and CDC for information on COVID-19 related data. Overloading yourself with unnecessary information only leads to stress, and you will start imagining things that is not even going to happen in the future. So please focus and distract yourself from unnecessary information and rely on valid sources like WHO and CDC. Number 4, focus on the present. Many of us would be worrying about situations that we wouldn't even have to go through, and these situations leads to unimaginable fears, and we start imagining the worst case scenarios, and it causes unnecessary stress in our mind as well as our body. So what you could do is focus on activities that keeps you happy and soothes your mind. I personally do things that keeps my mind calm. I indulge in activities like reading books, meditating, yoga, watching the sunset for example. These are some of the activities that really calms me down. So similarly, um, you know, focus on things that you like doing, the activities that gives you peace. It can be anything. It can be gardening, it can be cooking, it can be cleaning, it can be painting, anything that you relate to, and indulge yourself in such activities so that you don't really uh, mess up with unnecessary stress or worry. Tip number 5: self-care. Keep yourself hydrated. Eat nutritious food, avoid junk food, Avoid processed food and extremely high sugar content food. Include omega-3 fat diets into your food routine. Some of the examples, some of the things that you could include is chia seeds, flax seeds, walnut, soybeans, to name a few, and get moving. You need to at least have 25 to 30 minutes of exercise every day. So please do remember that the quality of your food determines your thought level, and the food that you intake determines how efficiently your body and mind will function. So please take extra cautious of what you eat, and indulge in self-care activities. Tip number 6: self-development. Many of us have forgotten the term self-development, and many of us have stopped learning and growing. Right? This is one important thing that we all of us have to ensure that we do on a regular basis. Spend at least 30 to 45 minutes learning something new every day. It could be related to your job, or it could be anything that interests you, or it could also be related to your personal development. It is extremely essential that we keep ourselves as well as our mind busy by reading and exploring something new, which definitely would add value in the future. These are some of the tips that I personally follow, and I'm sure these tips would definitely give you an insight about what you need to do and how you need to react to these situations. And please drop in your comment as to how you liked the video. And in case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or if you're seeing my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon button, and ensure that you get regular updates on all the new videos that I post. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.